C200F RAIN controller instruction. The middle network port is the input port, and the next network port is the output port. Connect the controller to the power supply, connect the controller to the light, and connect the network cable to the controller and the computer. Press and hold the key for 3 seconds to switch the controller mode, and the red light of the key flashes and then lights up. Click the button to switch the controller built-in effect. Press and hold the key for 3 seconds to switch back to ArtNet mode. The default computer IP address of the controller is 2.0.0.2. Change the computer IP address to pair with the controller. The indicator light is green when there is no signal connection, and the indicator light is green when there is a signal connection. The RDM function of MadShow can be used to modify various properties of the controller. In a rainy environment, use the controller ports facing down to avoid water accumulation. Stay tuned, the video will be updated continuously.